been working on my pattern, and now I'm in the process at the moment of knitting a sample for a new pattern. A kind of a selection of patterns within a pattern. I always promised a book, didn't I? Well, I suppose I'll call it a magazine book, but it's involves the cardigan, a t-shirt, a vest, yeah, a few items. I'm not quite sure. I've not really sort of pushed it past those 2 or 3 items yet. It'll just depend on what inspires me at the time. And I'm also using a scarf as a inspiration for the colours I'm using. As you all know, I use acrylic for my sampling work, but things like this colour that I'm knitting with now, you can get in yarns such as Cascade 220, or yarns such as West Yorkshire Spinners Colour Lab. I knitted something similar to this colour in Colour Lab last year.